Listen, imagine you are 80 years old, lying in a hospital bed, your life flashing before your eyes, and the only thing going through your mind is what you wished you had done. Not what you did, what you did not do. The business you never started, the person you never told how you truly felt, the dream you kept pushing to someday, and someday never came. A nurse named Bronnie Ware spent years with dying people. She asked them one question: what do you regret most? And every single time, the answer was never "I wish I worked less," never "I wish I watched more TV," never "I wish I played it safer." It was always "I wish I had the courage to live the life I truly wanted." And right now, you are living the exact moments that will become your regrets or your greatest memories. Every day you choose comfort over courage, you are writing your regrets. Every day you choose excuses over action, you are writing your regrets. Every day you say tomorrow instead of today, you are writing your regrets. But here's the truth that changes everything. You are not 80 yet. You still have time. You still have the chance to do everything you keep postponing, but that window is closing every single day. The dream doesn't die because you failed. It dies because you never tried. Don't let that be your story. Start today. Start right now before someday becomes never. If this woke something up inside you, comment "not me" and subscribe, because this is where your story changes.